Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. This is Bashir Ahmad Malik, teacher, Government High School, Nogam, Zone Mawar, District Kupwara. Today I am going to teach students of class 9th. Today our topic is scent of gutters. प्यारे बच्चों, आज हम फिर यही टॉपिक पढ़ेंगे, कंटिन्यू करेंगे। पिछली बार भी मैंने आपको इस टॉपिक में 1-2 पैरा पढ़ाए थे। तो आज हम इंशाल्लाह इसका सेकंड पैरा शुरू करेंगे। सेंट ऑफ गटर्स। जैसा कि आपको मालूम है कि ये जो पूरा टॉपिक है ये एक ग्रेट पर्सनैलिटी के बारे में है जिनको पूरी दुनिया जानती है, मदर टेरेसा। She was on a trip to the mountains when suddenly she had a feeling that someone was calling out to her saying, "Follow God and serve others." Once Mother Teresa decided to go to the hills, to the mountains, and suddenly she heard a voice there. She had a feeling that someone is calling her. God is perhaps calling her that you have to do something great. That is, you have to follow God and serve others. You have to follow the God, means Mother Teresa had to follow the rules and regulations of the God which God has prevailed, and he has to serve the mankind. She has to serve the other distrusted people, the downtrodden people, the poor people, and the needy people. In our own Eastern mystic tradition too, it is believed that an inner voice calls out a person if God has some special task cut out for him or her. So in Eastern religious books, we can say that it is believed that when God wants us to do somebody, that if God want to put some responsibility on a person that she or he has to do a great something for the mankind. So this experience of hers should not come as a surprise to us. So this is not a surprise for those for the Eastern people. About this time, Ignace has also heard that somewhere out there is a place called India, and had already made up her mind to become a missionary. Now this time, Ignace, means Mother Teresa, she came to know that there is a place somewhere in the world that is called India, and she also had made her mind. She has decided to go to India and to serve the people, poor people there in India, and she wants to become a missionary. Missionary means person sent to foreign country to do religious work. जो मजहबी काम के लिए किसी दूसरे मुल्क में उसको भेजा जाता है तो उसको मिशनरी बोलते हैं. She now decided to leave home. Now Mother Teresa decided to leave home. उसने फैसला किया कि मैं अब घर को छोड़ूंगी, and she wanted to serve the poor people. Became a nun. She now became a nun. Nun means a woman belonging to a religious order. जो मजहबी कामों में हिस्सा लेती हैं, उसको वो औरत जो मजहबी कामों में हिस्सा लेती हैं, अपनी ज़िंदगी मजहबी कामों में लगाती है, उसको नन बोलते हैं. Led a life of poverty, and she led a very poor life. She decided to live a very poor life. And chastity means purity, यानी साफ शफाफ जिंदगी गुजारना चाहती थी. एंड सर्व द पीपल, एंड शी वांटेड टू सर्व द पुअर पीपल, लोगों की खिदमत करना चाहती थी. She had also resolved that she would go to Kolkata in India to serve the poorest of the poor. And she has also decided that she wanted to go to Calcutta. Calcutta is a big city in India, where she wanted to serve the poorest people. She had heard that perhaps she might have heard that there are poor people uh, in that region in Kolkata. That was to be the mission of her life, and this she thought that this is the mission of her life. This is the aim of her life. Mission means aim also. As preparation for her real mission, she went to Ireland and joined the convent of the Sisters of Loreto in order to learn English before she went to Bengal. And when she was preparing her mind, when she was making preparations for that journey, and she decided first she went to Ireland. Ireland is a country, and she joined there the convent of the Sisters of Loreto. There was a school, Sisters of Loreto, and because she wanted to learn English language, and she joined there. Before going to Bengal, she wanted to learn English language, and she went to the Ireland. Ignace arrived in Kolkata in 1929, and this Mother Teresa, she arrived in Kolkata in 1929 and was sent by her order to Darjeeling, and the other nuns who were there in Kolkata, they sent her to Darjeeling in West Bengal. Darjeeling is a place in West Bengal to begin her novitiate, to begin her work. Novitiate means the period of study and prayer which every nun must undergo before she finally became a nun at the convent. And this is a period, novitiate is a period which every nun has to undergo before, which every person has to undergo before becoming a nun. यानी नन बनने से पहले उसको ये पीरियड वहाँ पर गुजरना पड़ता था इन द दार्जिलिंग में. Apart from prayer, she spent her time to hear in learning Hindi and Bengali. So apart from prayer, यानी prayer के अलावा वहाँ पर प्रेयर के दुआ मतलब जो इबादत का उसको वहाँ पर करनी थी उस पीरियड के दौरान. इसके अलावा वो कुछ टाइम वहाँ पर निकाल कर हिंदी एंड बंगाली सीखना चाहती थी, so that she could speak to the people whom she had come to serve. Why she decided to learn Hindi and Bengali? Because the people whom she wanted to serve, they were speaking Bengali and Hindi. So in order to serve these people betterly, she decided to learn Hindi and Bengali. Then she began to teach in schools run by the Sisters of Loreto, and after that she made her mind to teach in the schools run by the Sisters of Loreto. Loreto जो में Sisters of Loreto जो वहाँ पर स्कूल चलाते थे उनमें उसने फैसला किया मैं वहाँ पर पढ़ाऊँ. First at Darjeeling. First of all she started teaching in Darjeeling, and then at Kolkata, and later on in Kolkata. She took her final vows as a nun in 1937. Now, finally, she decided, she became a nun in 1937 and assumed the name Teresa. And she got a name Teresa because that was the name of the person saint of missionaries. Because this name was the name of saint of missionaries. यानी जो वहाँ पर मिशनरीज के वो बुजुर्ग थे उन्होंने इसको ये नाम दिया था. So I think this is sufficient for today because we can't upload the videos who are यानी जो बड़े वीडियो हैं उनको हम फिर अपलोड करना मुश्किल हो जाता है. तो आज के लिए इतना ही है. ये कुछ वर्ड्स हैं, इनके ये आप माने भी देख सकते हैं. प्यारे बच्चों, ये आपके लिए हैं कुछ वर्ड्स, इनको आप नोट कीजिएगा अपनी कॉपी पर और याद भी कीजिएगा साथ साथ में।